Hello everyone, and welcome to another video from Phace Installations. We've got in an absolutely stunning BMW M3. I think it's 2003, 2004. Absolutely mint. Beautiful. Love it. Love a good M3. This audio system in this vehicle is awful. Now, most people will be like, well, you know what? I listen to the engine, sounds fantastic. Well, yeah, that's great. But sometimes you want to just listen to some music, and we don't want a tape player. Has a multi-changer CD, so not so bad, but the sound quality is horrendous. Speakers are 20 plus years old. They're going to be damaged. They're just not up to the modern day tasks. So we're going to replace that speaker there, and in the door this side, take the tweeters out, because they're just poor quality. And in the rear, we've got the same again. So we've got components in the rear. If I can get this door, the seat back, or forward rather. So if we can show you there. So we've got components there. So we're going to take them all out, every speaker out. And we're going to add a fabulous Pioneer subwoofer in the boot with amplifier, just to give it that extra punch. So the speakers in these vehicles, we're going to be putting the Focal speakers in front and rear, and we're going to be adding the Pioneer sub and amp. So let's get on, get this done, and show you what we've done after the break. Okay, welcome back. All done. Let's show you around the vehicle, show you what we've done. Now, with YouTube, we're not allowed to play any music, so I can't show you the audio. I can't let you hear it, basically, but you can see it. So there we have got absolutely fantastic Pioneer 500 watt amplifier and subwoofer. Look at the size of that. Absolutely beautiful. Does pack an absolute punch. Trying to keep it very minimalistic to a level, but we've even kept it so that you can still access anything under there, so you haven't got to take that out, but you can if you want to. Just unplug the wires and you can take the subwoofer out if need be for extra space. And as I said before, we've changed the door speakers, but we've also changed the stereo to the Alpine ILX705D E46. And when you start it up, you get the lovely E46 logo there from Alpine. And this does wireless Apple CarPlay, FM radio, DAB radio, Bluetooth music streaming. Now remember, I can't play any music, so I have to have all the sound down. We've linked it all to the steering wheel controls, so you can still do volume up and down, change tracks, etc. using the steering wheel controls. But I think it's a big addition, and this does absolutely fantastic sound quality. Alpine are always very good for sound quality. You can customize everything, so we've done all the timer line in, made this sound really beautiful. And yeah, you've got all your favorite apps, so you can play Spotify or any of your favorite music apps that you use easily, which is really good. So totally modern system in a fantastic car. Now I know, as I said, you can't hear it, but I can assure you it sounds fabulous with the Focal components in the front and Focal components in the rear, plus that Pioneer amp and sub, driving that subwoofer in the boot to give you that beautiful bass just when you need it. Stunning car, absolutely love it. Love the red interior seats, beautiful. Now the customer wanted their USB sockets here, so we've mounted the sockets there if you want to plug your phone in and charge it. But it is a wireless system, so you don't have to have your phone plugged in if you don't wish. And obviously it will do hands-free phone calls, you know, music streaming, as I said before, and it's Android Auto compatible too. So if you've got an Android phone, this customer's obviously an iPhone and so am I, it is brilliant. And if you want to adjust the bass, you've just got the bass slider here. But sometimes it is just so much bass that you don't want it on too much. Great for lower volume if you want a bit more bass and you just want to keep the volume down, but as soon as you crank the volume up, you're going to get loads of bass, so you might want to turn that down. But yeah, I think the customer's going to be absolutely over the moon by this. I know I would. Put a lot of blood, sweat and tears into this, and we look after every single vehicle we have through our workshop. Hope you like what we do. Give us a like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.